Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add notes on your order within the Uber Eats application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account, go ahead and use your email address and your password or your phone number or social accounts and you will be logged in right away. Once you have been logged in, you will simply be asked to choose your address. You can either use your GPS to detect your address for you, or you can tap on the search box to enter your location. After choosing your location, you will be asked to enter your address details. After choosing your building type, you can simply use the pin by tapping on the Edit Pin option to pinpoint your location. Once you have set your location, you can tap on Confirm Location and you will be asked to enter your full address. After entering your full address, you will see the drop-off options section, and within this section, you will see the instruction box. You can simply tap on this box and enter any note that you wish, that you want to give to the delivery person. After entering your desired note, you can simply tap on the Save and Continue button and you can proceed forward to finalizing your order and choosing your food. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add notes within your order on the Uber Eats app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.